going back to Canada, and on 2 sleeps, we're going back to US where my mom's parents are and her sisters are. And one sister my mom's had, her name is Tita Yaya. Tita Yaya has like a boyfriend, and the boyfriend's name is Tito Patoy. Then, yeah, we got a lot of things to work on.
Wala, puno.
Is that
Puno yung bakta.
Hawakan natin. Hawakan na natin.
Hey, who's this?
Wala naman. Tapos kakain ito ni Jana sa loob.
Maribong.
Hey!
Ay, don't do that! Don't step on Tita Patrick's shoes.
Anymore.
Yeah, and more. Oh, whose socks is this? Can I see?
White.
Baka kayo ma. Pero whose socks is this? Baka kayo ma. No? Let me see the ano.
We should take a photo outside now.
Yeah, photo outside. My shoes!
Arte naman ng baby namin. Namimiss nyo?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, about me. About me.
Kapalit na yun. Bagong baby.
Tama ba ito? Come on, take picture, guys.
Yeah, kasi nakaano lang yung fiber. So, hindi basta-basta na ito ng weeks.
Kami may malaking surrender ka nga kabilang ka rin. It's from here hanggang dito.
Tapos subdivision na maintain na.
Yeah, itong flower na yun, yung barrier. Tumawi.
White na lang.
Ma,
Selfie
dito
mo.
ko sa...
Selfie.
One, two, five. Oh, wait. One, two. Okay. And then... Mahal.
I-share mo sa Instagram para kasi mention niya.
off na kami dito ng aming car rental.
You know what to do? Throw your machine. I'll find another one. You'll see. Right? The machine is not working, throw away.
Scan it again. So this one will say scan it again and it will still go slow. Do you need
Sana nalimutan. Wala na kami nalimutan. All good?
Yeah, you have
Thank
all
you.
your personal items, right? Yeah.
Sorry?
Your personal items?
You all set,
Wala
right?
kayong naiwanan?
Wala na po.
Okay, yung susi nandun, ha?
Nalimutan po namin yung full tank.
Ay, na-charge lang kayo. Kasi sinasarado ng ano namin to ng app namin. Avis ba or budget?
Avis
Check
po.
mo, ha?
Nawala si Ace.
Pero
Ano?
okay lang naman, di ba? Ang nabawas.
Kalahati.
Ha?
Kalahati.
Malaki yun. Kasi 9.99 per gallon ang ano namin eh. 9.99. Check ko ha, hanapin ko yung ano, resibo yun. Las Vegas ba? Kinuha mo?
Opo, Las Vegas.
Nawala na rin sa isip ko.
Kanino nakapangalan?
Pamela.
And Ryan.
Sayana?
Yeah, Sayana.
Ang gas nito, 157. So, 15 gallons yun.
15 gallons.
Oo, 50. Sinarado na kasi ng ano namin, ng app namin eh. So, pagka lumabas kayo, nire-read na yung mileage ng gas, pagpasok yung dito, sasarado na rin yun. Kaya, kasi kung minsan kung hindi connected, pinapalabas namin, pwede lumabas. Eh, once nasarado na, hindi na kayo makapalabas.
So magkano ho bali yung charge?
Yung gasoline is 157.
That's
Ano?
okay.
Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano eh. Kung wala kasing tao, pwede rin. Itatry ko kung pwede kong mabawasan, ha?
O kasi po, actually, hinahanap din namin yung sa English dahil binigay nilang walang
Walang washer fluid.
walang washer fluid.
Okay.
So,
Titingnan ko lang pero hindi ko ma-sure kasi wala akong pin eh. Tapos wala yung dalawang lead namin eh. Kaya hindi ko alam kung pwede mabawasan. If not, siguro bukas pa. Bigyan ko kayong temporary na resibo, ha? Okay. Kasi kahit papano baka mabawasan pa yung ano, yung 157, baka pwedeng $99. At least $50 kung
yeah.
pwede kong
Kung pwede
magawa,
po,
ha?
opo.
Okay, send ko na lang email, ha?
Opo.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Wala kayong naiwanan.
Wala na po. Nawala na rin sa isip ko. Na-charge tayo. Pero paano natin malalaman binawasan? Magkano total niyan? Ang dami nagsasauli ng sasakyan, no? Avis. Dito sa kami sa car rental. Buti Pilipina. Buti Pilipina yung nag-receive sa amin. Magagawa para mabawasan. Mahal kasi pagka hindi mo sinahuli ng full tank kasi full tank din binigay. So, mas mahal ang charge nila kasi magbabayad pa sila ng maggagas, no? So, sasakay kami ng train papunta ng airport. Dalo pala yun.
Terminal 1 ka din, Daddy?
Punta mo na ako sa inyo yan.
Kita kita sa akin.
long term yan. Makakaupo kayo. Mabilis lang naman kasi yan. Bakit? Hawak. Hawak. Hawak na sa bintana. Lapit ka ng lip.
Sakay kami ng train.
These are really some brakes. Every time you release it, it's a brake. Eh, nakalagay, tingnan. Long term, Air Canada, Southwest is...
Sa Westfield na tayo. Sunod Grand Hyatt. Tapos,
WestJet, Terminal 1.
Terminal 1. Nakalagay. Westfield. Yeah.
Patintong muna kayo.
Oh, no, yeah.
Makapag-check-in may check-in ba kayo?
Please make sure you have all your personal belongings and lock your stuff as you exit the train. For passengers with carts and luggage, please use elevators located at either end of the station platform.
Alam ko yun.
Kasi hindi pinapatanggal.
T-gates for security screening.
Bakit ka naman Is that not even a surprise? Mag-ayos naman na natin pa magkabuti.
Singapore Airlines. Where are we, Bulsa? Where are we? Where are we now?
The airport.
The airport of what? San?
To go back to Canada.
To go back to Canada. And what airport are we?
And we're gonna come back to US 2 months.
Huh?
2 months and then we're going back to US.
When?
2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, 2 months.
No, to sleep.
No, 2 slips. That is it. And then I
2 more slips.
yeah, 2 more slips.
Wait.
Bro, you're gonna miss that when she gets older, Chief. I guarantee you. All the excitement of her thinking everything is new and fresh.
Yeah.
You're gonna miss that, bro.
It's interesting, we just got a...
So here in Harvey Milk Terminal.
Because he's going at Southwest.
Check-in zone 1. International. AG gate.
Are we here yet?
AG. Tayo. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Dito.
Yeah, dito.
Bakit ka ng airport dito? DC gate. Di ba sa baba? Sa baba, di ba? Hindi, sa baba.
Elevator dyan. Security to PSA.
Ba. Ganda na airport dito. No? Harry, what's with the crowd?
5 lang o 6 lang ang push ko. So imagine that. More than an hour, halos ng 8 hours. 6 push lang.
Nakakanood ka ng
So, can you picture yun? Kaya gala ako ng gala, nag-exercise, nakakapulot ako ng ganyan. Nakakaipon ako ng $5.
Lumipat ba kayo sa airport?
Ha?
Oo, nag-airport kasi daddy.
Ha? Mga pang senior na trabaho, yung mga push-push. WestJet, right there. Pila.
Priority yun eh. Yun.
Yan. Right away.
Come on,
Why
push.
can you do it?
See? Go. Ito na kami, pag kami ng security. Dun! Kasi dyan na, nahuhuli lagi. Go ahead. BC Gates. Go, dyan na. Okay. BC Gates.
Right. Can I say so?
To the airport.
To the airport.
And then I'm gonna
Yeah, we're going back to Canada, and on 2 leaves, we're going back to US, where my mom's parents are and her sisters are. And one sister my mom's had, her name is Tita Yaya. Tita Yaya has like a boyfriend, and the boyfriend's name is Tito Patoy.
Bian.
Then, yeah, we got a lot of things to work on. And now
You are here in?
the airport.
So, nahanap kami ng restaurant. May nakita kami dito, Filipino
You cannot
restaurant.
press anything.
Filipino cuisine. B2.
EFGHRJ.
Ano ba cuisine? Filipino cuisine? Ano pa? Meron pa banh mi, Dolores Park Cafe. Check muna natin. Dito. Laki ng airport na to. Come on. Walk. D2. Let's get it. San Francisco, California.
Alcohol, including duty-free, is prohibited. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened lower tight across your hips to fasten, insert the flat end into the buckle. Pull on the strap to tighten and to release with the top of the buckle. Turbulence may occur without warning. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of an emergency, you will hear a command to brace. Refer to your safety features card for your brace position. Do not take any carry-on baggage with you during an evacuation, and follow the directions of the crew. There's a total number of 6 emergency exits on board. There are 2 in the
sa Calgary Airport. We're going down to Calgary Airport, right? We're in Canada. Yay!
Your hand is bleeding.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. You check to ano? We're going down now.
Well, we're gonna drop on a pool.
Huh?
I'm gonna drop on in a pool.
In the pool. So yun, meron pa kaming isang flight. Meron pa tayong isang flight. So, meron pa tayong isang flight. Winnipeg. We're going to Winnipeg. Go, go.
Wala na. Wala.
Si Jana. Thank you very much. Oh, lamig. Thank you. Welcome to Winnipeg.
Yung nasa harapan mo nung hindi mo ito pinasagitan, malaki nila eh.
Kaya nga.
Sabi ko, kawawa lang yung nasa gitna. Ibig na eh.
Malamig sa Winnipeg. Malamig sa Winnipeg. Back to winter. Back to cold weather.
Kaya drink water ka mas para.
I-drink water po sir.
Come here, come here.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Ha?
Ano ito ang kukuha mo?
Sa baba.
What does YWG mean? No?
So, we're back here in Winnipeg. Tutulog lang din. Pa-flight na ulit. So, yun. See you guys. And welcome back home. Nasaan yung balat mo?
Balik ako.
Daddy, bag tayo muna.
Saan? Ayan.
Doon ang kuha ng maleta. Doon ka. Doon ka. Go. Jana. Oh my. They might.
Nico and Mila, keep your hands away. Yeah. Back up. Back up.
Ingo, yeah, back it up.
Because I don't want.
Palabas na kami. Tan 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 tan.
Daddy, ingat ka sa mata.
Doon tayo sana sa gitna.
Sa gitna daw?
In the middle, oh. In the middle. HEB, Outlander.
Hey, there's a playground there.
Aha.